Good morning, everyone. Today we are in Long Island City and we are going to be touring the WeWork at Gotham Center. Well, it's a Long Island City WeWork here. And hello. Let's go inside. Oh no. Oh yeah, it's working now. Yes. And Ben is inside. This is a really nice lobby. Hi, Ben. We are gonna be touring WeWork Gotham Center or City?
Gotham Center.
Did you see City?
Center, I think.
Center? Okay.
Gotham City's in Batman.
Oh. Alright, then. See ya. So we got into this WeWork area. Ben is using the gimbal right now, so I'm gonna be using my phone without a gimbal. He is with somebody right now, and you might meet him in the video later. Yeah, so this is the interior of this WeWork space. Well, you could do work here, you could do work on the couch, I guess, or on those couches. Over there's so many places to go, but we'll take you around and show you the space. So let's go down here first. Floor to ceiling windows. You can sit here. Nice bookshelves. Look at this, so beautiful. This place was where Ben made his first reel, and that's why he got him to start making reels for restaurants or for self-purposes or businesses, etc. We sat right here. Yep. Ooh, I guess we could come look at the view. Whoa, look at those clouds. Oh my gosh, so pretty. They're so pretty. Oh my god, I love that. Yes. And let's go over here. More tables, outlets on the floor. Hello. And this is the kitchen area. I want to highlight my favorite part of this whole space, which is, I guess, the kitchen area. Well, the tea area is my favorite part. So it's basically this area and the tea up here. So the teas used to be in this circular kind of thing where you know, spin it around and get the tea bags, but now it's up there. Not sure why, but that's okay. So yeah, we have the milk here, the coffees, and the cups. Honey, love these honeys. I usually use 2 sticks. I just made 2 teas, one for me and one for Ben. For him, he drinks green tea. And for me, I drink Earl Grey or lemonade, or lemon, I mean. Sugars, salt, peppers, utensils, and plastic stuff. No, not plastic, these are paper. And here we have the seltzer, so the nitro cold brew coffee, the kombucha, the lime seltzer, cups, paper towels, and this is the fridge, community fridge. Ooh, this is the ice machine, making ice. Oh my gosh, sorry. Yes, sorry about that. Okay, so this is the microwave, dirty stuff, dirty mugs, and this is the sink. This is the tea. Okay, so we have cozy chamomile. I hope I pronounced that right. Green tea, I love lemon, orange and spice, mint medley, Earl Grey, and English tea time. All delicious. Okay, wait, this is the toaster. This is the toaster. Dishwasher, fridge, mini fridge. Oh, this is only for milk and creamer only. And this is the coffee beans. We have what is this? 2 different types of coffee. Arabica blend and another different kind of blend. Okay, yes. Hot water. The hot water is here. And the garbage. So if you ever have a chance to come here, this is the kitchen area or the tea area, because that's what I only use it for. I only come here for tea. I don't really drink these stuff, but the tap's open at 9.
And we are here at the Jax, which is also the WeWork facility here in Long Island City. My name is Jason, and I'm here to just give you guys a quick tour, so come on over. Ooh.
Wow, hi Jason.
Yes, this is the kitchen area. As you can see, nice, breathable. You got some stainless steel countertops going on, oven, a big ice bucket refrigerator underneath the microwave, and we have everything that seems chef grade throughout the kitchen area. It's
Guys, give me a house tour.
Wow.
It's nice, clean. You have coffee, tea, everything that you possibly need, even a dishwasher for anything that you bring from home. It's very convenient. Yeah. And if you walk around, I'll show you some of the offices. Several bathrooms on the right. Very convenient. We have a ton of meeting rooms, meeting spaces, and even phone booths, right?
Phone booths.
You could close out all kinds of noise and distractions.
Yeah, we sat in there. It's very tight.
Get straight to it, laser focus. What I really like about these spaces is the fact that you have so much art. You're gonna see art everywhere you go throughout the building. But all of this glass gives you such a breathable feel as you walk around the facility. And that's why a lot of people love this space. All right, you're walking through it, you get to immerse yourself with the outside city everywhere you go in the building, and it's great. I never get bored walking around this area. Even down to the design of the lights in the hallway. It's just a nice, warm feeling everywhere you go. All right, this is the 15th floor. You have a couple other floors above, and the views only get sweeter and sweeter. But even from this level, you get to see a lot of what Long Island City has to offer. All right, cool. And as I mentioned, if you really notice, there's art that actually gets changed, I think, every month or so, right, throughout the building. I don't know what company they're using, but I'm definitely going to be using that same company in my ridiculous mansion when it comes up, all right? Manifestation is key.
Yes. The art of manifestation.
Exactly. Ooh. They even have ping pong.
Wow.
So if you get bored, you throw on a quick game.
Oh.
Just to blow some steam off.
That's cute. What?
All right, let's go on down to the common area. All right, and don't forget to mask up while you're touring the building, okay? Come on in.
Come on out.
Come on out. All right.
More art. Ooh, more art.
Jason, this is a beautiful space.
Right? How much is it? Give me. No, it is nice though. It is nice. I try not to live here. Do my best.
Did they kick you out late night?
Nope, they can't.
Wow.
As long as I have my card, I can go to any WeWork space in the world.
Wow. Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you're in Williamsburg, you'll be where?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, that's Williamsburg.
This is close to Williamsburg, yeah.
Wow, that one is nice, right by the water.
Ooh, let's actually go in here.
Okay.
Ooh. It's closed, but it's open for Jason.
Oh, yeah.
It's not Jason.
Music. Copyright.
And technically we're still on a shoot, so I'm gonna do more B-roll.
Oh yeah. Yes.
All right. Welcome to the outdoor
Wow,
space.
so beautiful.
As you can see, it's a nice mix of nature and just urban innovation. I love it. want to take a break and be outdoors, you have it. And over there, they're going to be setting up a food restaurant where you'll be able to access buffet-style food.
Wow.
Yeah.
So much food there.
And when it's warmer, nice and sunny, they actually have a row of chairs that you can lie down on as if you're at a beach. Isn't that nice?
Yes.
But yeah, if you're in the heart of Long Island City, check it out, soak it up.
So beautiful. The
This
sky.
building right across the street is called Jackson Park.
Oh, right.
Very modern, very urban, high-end luxury apartments. And if you want to just be walk away from your office, just right across the street, this would be a great destination to get a 2-bedroom studio, whatever it be, for the convenience of being able to just walk to your office and save on all that commuting.
Wow.
That NTA building got some prime real estate right there.
Yup. Like, we're not getting rid of this.
Dang.
We're
So beautiful.
And that's the Ollie Alta.
Oh, this one here. Right. The Ollie Alta. Ollie by Alta or just the Ollie? Oh no, or just the Alta, I mean. Ha.
That's crazy. That's dirt cheap.
6 months free, you said?
Yep.
Wow.
Crazy.
Soon they'll do $5, but it's so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Oh, thank you. Here we are, the WeWork. 15th floor again. No, not 15th.
This is the
5th floor.
The 5th floor.
What is this space, Jason?
Well, now we're at the lobby, right?
Oh.
This is where you can bring your guests if they're waiting for you to arrive to the office like I was. They can come here, they can relax. They actually have a bar set up right here, which is really cool. During the weekdays, you have nitro cold brew, you have kombucha on tap.
Ooh.
All right, I abuse the kombucha. It's a great feature. It tastes delicious. You even have state-of-the-art coffee maker machine with oat milk and whole milk.
Oh, wow.
You got options, man.
Nice.
Yes. But check it out. You walk around. It's very comfy, cozy. You can relax. You can also even host events on this floor. You can
Oh,
book the
that's
whole
so
floor,
nice.
have your own events, and just really network. That's what the purpose is of WeWork.
Yeah.
And over here you have a charade of different books, a mini library that you can check out if you just want to sit down, relax, and read some books. What I really love is just the different art just plastered throughout the building.
Right.
Everything is unique, abstract, and I love it. Different colors and everything.
How can I get a WeWork pass?
Oh, that's simple.
Just pay up.
You got your man Matt at the front desk. You figure out how much that costs an hour, and then he'll break it down to you.
Matt, hello.
Yes. And then over here, this is more like the library section,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
As you can see, the color mood changes to darker, more relaxed mood. As we move over, every floor has a printer scanning
nice.
station, nice little workstation, and additional phone booths. And during the weekdays, over here is really where it gets quiet. You know, people want to focus, get down to it. Over here, you can actually book this room if you wanted to do room presentations in front of a panel. You even have projectors for a smart board.
That's awesome.
Everything that you could possibly need
Right.
built into that membership. So yeah, I think it's more than what we've even bargained for. You even have a projector out here where you can pull it down, play music.
Movie night.
Oh,
For a
wow.
movie night.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Have you done it?
Never
No, not
noticed
yet.
that.
But in the near future, we definitely will.
Yeah. I guess you could just use any of the rooms for movie night.
And even the aesthetics with the LED lights, combining a feeling of forest and again urban space, just to really make a psychologically relaxing experience. I just love it. So yeah, it's been a great experience.
Have you been to a lot of WeWork spaces?
No, not really. I just come here. This is home.
It's so great.
Yeah.
This is the only one in Queens, really, right?
No, there's one across the street.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. That one, Google Map, that one shows up. That's
Yeah.
But now this one is on the map officially.
Yeah, and now you can cozy up
Wow.
and enjoy the experience. Until next time.
Peace.